Hi everyone. So today I want to kind of give you a rundown on how to clean your Frigidaire washer and dryer. Mostly the washer. I've owned this for 3 years now and I just found out how to take the soap dispenser part apart and clean it. But I always have tried to keep this door clean. Every time I use it, I wipe it down really good and I get underneath here really good because we own dogs, so dog hair is into everything. This rim right here, you got to try to keep it bleached down with bleach spray. I use that, then I spray it around and then I wipe it out with a paper towel, and I always run through and make sure that's all right. Now on your side door here, a lot of people didn't know this because you can't keep the door shut. If you do, that creates mold. So right here, you pull this little lever out, and if you don't have one, you can jerry rig one, and it just sets right down and sets right on there and keeps your door shut. All right, now for the soap dispenser area. In here, try to zoom in a second. In here, there's a push down button right here. So you push that down. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. You push it down, and when you do, it slides out like so. And then this whole unit comes out of there. Sorry about that. Let me zoom you out. So then this hole comes out, and then you'll be able to clean it. This spot right here, this comes off. You just lift it up, and then you'll be able to clean all that. You've got to do this every so often because I had black mold in there. Okay, so now there's a little lip right here. You just slide that right in and jiggle this. I have to push that down a little until it goes in, and then that slides in. But you still, even though it's dry, you want to keep that cracked so that don't get mold on it. That's the best tips I could give you right there, is to keep your suds drawer, suds and bleach dispenser area cracked and cleaned, your door ajar. Now for the dryer. The only thing I suggest is when you keep this dust free, see all the gross dog hair and lint? I just cleaned that out. So you take that out, throw that away. And then down in here, if that gets really full, like it's starting to now, I'll use a dryer brush area, that dryer removal thing right there, and I will pull with this right here, that, and then I shove it in there, and then I try to get all the lint out and pull up as much as I can. And well, you can tell I kind of just did it, so. But yep, and you can pick it out and you can do whatever you want, but you want to keep that cleaned out because of fire. And we don't want a dryer hazard. Now for this, because I use softener, I use Downy, but and dryer sheets. So if every now and then you want to take this and check it and run it under water. If water goes through, that's a good thing. If water doesn't, you want to take a soft scrub brush and clean it out so that it will the air can vent through it to collect your dust. Now with your dryers, you do not need to, I always check the doors and the rims, and this right here, there's a little nut there. With the dryer, you can keep that shut. So there's just it's a little short video on how I clean my Frigidaire washer and dryer. The base is down there. That's just base. They can be stacked on top of each other, but we didn't do that. And then my husband built these cupboards in here. Ain't that nice? And in here, that's bleach. So I have my bleach bottle there, but I use this to pour the bleach in there because it's easier, and cleaning products. And I only use one dryer sheet per whole load. For a while there, I was using half a dryer sheet. So I hope this helps somebody that didn't know how to how not to clean their washer machine. Dryer is pretty self-explanatory, but the washing machine has to be kept ajarred. Your ram needs to be kept clean, and the soap dispenser. So, okay, everyone, thanks for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Have a blessed day. Bye.